Hey everyone, I'm exhausted because guess where I am? Yeah, if you don't know, we're at the U in Salt Lake, and here's what it looks like. Here's who I guess who came with me.
Hi! Oh, I'm exhausted.
I am too. Well, on the good side, it'd be a little faster getting back home. Well, that's where I was right under though. I would have gone to the top, but it's kind of dangerous for me.
It's kind of dangerous, isn't it?
Yeah, it
It
is.
is. It took a lot of effort to get to the bottom, let alone the top of the U.
Yeah, we get a top though, but we got to the bottom at least. And there's some lights. If you look closely, those little circles, those are lights. And when they have an event, the lights turn on. So when it's night, you can see them. And now I'm gonna go back home now.
That Chinook?
No, it's no helicopter. And guess what? We're at the U, so we're pretty much there. Hello everyone, we just got back from the U,
Hi there.
and guess what? Out of these 4 instruments, this one is soprano saxophone. This one is none of my friends B-flat clarinet. This one you've already seen. Here's my bass clarinet, which is what I had since last year, and here's the newest one I just got last some weeks ago. Hold on a second. My bassoon, and that's it. And that's all 4 of them right now.